A lot of time you might have observed, especially during election days, they show you some sort of exit polls, and they say that this exit poll we have taken from so and so number of people, maybe from this geographic location, and this was our methodology to create all that survey. Now, given all this detail, what we do is we kind of look at that data what we have, and from that sample data, because here definitely they are not coming to you to ask that okay which party you are going to vote, right? Rarely somebody might have approached you. So definitely they are only taking some sample of data. So they are not going to the whole population, but instead they are going to only sample of data, and from that sample of data they are inferring that okay, looks like in this election party ABCD is going to win probably this number of seats. This is how they do an inference from a sample data to a population, for a population data, right? This is the stuff which is happening there in exit poll. Now this sort of thing keeps on happening a lot. Let's say you own a industry or a factory where you want to do some quality checks, and definitely it is not possible for you to do the quality check for all the data for all the product what you have. Then in that case what you will do, you may take some samples of data, and using that sample of data you may do some inference about your whole data set. How confident you could be in stating that? What is the method which will be the backbone for basically creating such sort of scenario? This is where your probability theory will play a major role. Probability theory will play a major role. So I will be talking about this, that how in probability you will be working on. So I will be telling you lot of mathematical concepts now, which you can link it later with the other concepts, so that you can understand that from how these people go ahead and create a good sample using which they can create they can do some inferences for the whole population. This whole thing is also called as inferential statistics. Okay, so let me note down, this whole thing is also called as inferential statistics. So we are going to learn about this section now in detail in this particular section.